Steamy day here, July 7th, after the 4th of July weekend. I'm at 6208 Wiscasset Road. Mark Fitzpatrick here with Arlo Real Estate. And this is a prime location. You know the area. It's just off of Massachusetts Avenue, but it's quiet because we're not right on Massachusetts Avenue. Goldsboro Road, just around the corner. River Road, right there. It's all right here. And this house is going under a very hefty renovation. All this ugly carpet and laminate flooring and tile that is kind of intersecting here, all going to be hardwood floors. Master suite bathroom, completely gutted, that's being redone. We're going to add new kitchen countertops and painting, some new lights. Outdoor space has got a covered glass area off of the deck and a covered glass roof over top of a hot tub. How about that? And got a 3-car garage too. So that is a rarity. If you know, you know. Custom built home is, a true custom build is where you're going to get 3-car garage. But look at that, massive garage. Probably still get 5 or 6 cars in the driveway. So message me now to get a first look at this. 240-687-2650. And we can pop upstairs real quick, actually, to see what's going on here. You can see right there, it's underway. Lots of things happening. All right, so see you soon. Message me now, and we'll get you in here to get a first look. 240-687-2650. See ya.